In this video, I will show you how to check available credit on Wells Fargo. So to do that, first of all what you can do is simply click on Chrome or any web browser. There search for Wells Fargo. Then click on the URL. In the top right hand corner you will see this menu bar. Right beside it there is the sign on button. Click on it. From there put in your username and password and simply click on sign on. Once you're logged into your account, you will find your profile here. There, click on the particular credit card. After that, you can find your credit available or the credit limit. Or, if you are rolled into your text banking, what you can do is simply open up your text message. Now from the app, simply open a chat with 93557. This is the official text number of Wells. From here, you can simply type out BAL and send the message. After that, you will be able to receive your account balance and your available credit via text. Or you can simply call their customer service number. You can find the number on the internet. Or if you simply view your monthly statement, you can find your available credit on the first page of your statement. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.